Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, coming to you from Borla Commerce Park.
You are riding along with Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. You know, it seems like the U in UTV ought to stand for ubiquitous, because these things are everywhere. Whether you're dealing with a Polaris like this or a Honda or any other major brand, I know just the place for accessories for your UTV, and that is Axiom side-by-side. Rick, what can you guys do to outfit my side-by-side?
We can make your side-by-side look great and protect your side-by-side with quality parts and accessories.
You've got some great looking parts here on this Talon here. Starting at the front, what are some of the things you brought for show and tell?
On this model, A-arm guards, trailing arm guards, lower doors. We put a bed extender on the back, and we also make a tailgate for this unit, and we make a full skid plate.
Well, let's talk about those A-arm guards. First of all, that's the first thing you notice when the vehicle's coming at you, and they look great. How do those help me on the trail?
Well, they protect your A-arms from rocks and stuff that's going to bang them up and that. Plus, they protect the rubber boots on the CV joints.
Now, I find that a lot of ATVs, they're quite capable when you buy them, but there's some things you could do to protect them even more, and that's where you guys come in. And so we talked front suspension, and then you get onto the rear suspension, and those look great with the trailing arm guards there.
Them work great too. They help protect the underneath of the trailing arms and keep them from getting banged up and scratched up.
Excellent. And then onto the doors, you have a neat piece that fits in there. I know rocks and even trees can get up under the stock doors because there's a big gap there. Correct. You guys have taken care of that problem.
Right. Keeps the mud from coming in and that, and keeps you a little bit cleaner inside. Works great.
And can keep you safer.
And keep you safer, absolutely.
You know, and I'm shocked that a lot of these vehicles don't come with windshields, but that's something you guys can provide as well. And I know that fitment is important to you guys, and I also know that ease of install is also important. You installed that windshield with no problem. Tell me about that process.
Very easy. The windshield is a DOT safety glass windshield with adjustable ram air vents. 2 people can install that in probably 15-20 minutes.
And then moving to the back of the vehicle, a lot of these UTVs have very small trunk areas, if you will, for your gear, and you guys have solved that problem as well.
Well, yes, we make a bed extender for that to keep your stuff inside there better and be able to put more stuff in there. And then we also make a tailgate that's a little bit smaller, which does kind of the same thing.
That just doesn't give you more space, it also helps you manage all of it, and I love some of the features it has.
Correct. It gives you more space, and it has tie-down spots so you can bungee your stuff down and gives you more room. Works great for coolers and anything you want to pack to take out into the wild.
And it looks great too, and you've brought some other colors along to show us. How many different colors do you guys offer?
About 7 standard colors. We try to match the machine colors with our accessories, and then plus we'll do other colors also if somebody wants one.
And how many different makes and models are we looking at?
We cover the Polaris Razors, the Rangers, the General, the Kawasaki KRX, the Can-Am X3, the Honda Talons, and the Yamaha YXC.
Now, Tony, you design all these parts. How important is fit?
It's very important. We want the installation to be easy for our customers. Comes with all your hardware that you need and installation instructions right there in the box.
Sometimes you order online, you never know where stuff's coming from. Where are your parts manufactured?
This is all made in our plant in Cincinnati, Ohio by our parent company, Tri-State Fabricators. They're a full-blown fab shop. We do everything in-house, wet paint, powder coat. It's all done under one roof.
And everything looks great. The finish is wonderful. And I'm looking right here at this Polaris. The front bumper is a piece that jumps right out. Tell me about that.
That's our new bumper for the 19 and newer XP1000s and XP Turbos. Just gives you the ability to mount a winch right out front instead of up in here where some guys just don't like them. And then it's got a reversible mounting plate here. We got a 3500 narrow spool on it right now, but if you're running a 4500 or a bigger winch, you turn it around and there's a mounting there for the wider fair lead.
Cool, and you got a great looking rear bumper on there as well. And just like on the Honda, you've got a windshield, but you also fit a rear window on this vehicle as well.
Yeah, that's our rear windshield made out of 3/16 polycarbonate, installs in minutes.
Now, I don't own one of these, and I'm actually surprised to learn that a lot of the stock vehicles don't come with a roof, but you guys have a great solution for that as well.
Yeah, this is our Outlaw roof made out of 1/8" aluminum. Comes powder coated in 7 standard colors, and we can do additional colors as well. Just give us a call, and we'll try to match whatever you got.
Another piece you've added to these, the Firewall Guards, that keeps a lot of sticks and things from coming up into the cockpit. You got everything protected underneath, A-arm protectors, trailing arm protectors, skid plate running from front to back, and the thing I really like, there's a little gear locker under the hood there to keep all your emergency stuff. And where can they find you on the web?
You can find it all at www.axiomsidebyside.com.
And you can find us when you come back from these messages. We are Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. We'll see you in a minute.